Hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some canned banana peppers, but I will be using my cowboy candy brine recipe. To start, I have 4 cups of apple cider vinegar, 4.5 cups of brown sugar, 6.5 cups of regular sugar, 4 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, and 2 teaspoons of mustard seed. Stir it all together. It will be super thick because it's considered a candied pepper recipe. That's why there is so much sugar in here. Bring your brine up to a boil at medium-high heat. Have all of your peppers sliced and ready to go. While you're waiting for your brine to heat up, start filling your water bath canner. Once your brine starts to heat up, keep a really close eye on it because it will boil over really fast. I'm going to go ahead and start adding my peppers. At first, it looks like your pepper to brine ratio is off, but these peppers are going to cook down a lot. I'm going to bring this back up to a boil, and then I'm going to let it, hang on, let me glance at my recipe. I'm going to bring it back up to a boil, and as soon as it starts boiling, I'm going to turn it down to a simmer and simmer it for 4 or 5 minutes. As you can tell, they have not even come back up to a boil yet, and they're already cooked down a lot. Take a slotted spoon. And put your peppers into the jar. I already have 2 done. I was having problems with my phone, it overheated, so I had to take a break from using my camera for a little bit. See how much those cooked down? I only got 3-pint jars out of it. But I still have a bunch left in my fridge that I'm gonna can. I'm going to do some whole ones too here in a little bit, but I'm gonna finish these up, and then we will start on. I'm gonna try to do a raw pack of the whole ones, so we're just gonna have to see. Now get your ladle. Let me get a jar first. That'd probably be smart. Fill to 1-inch headspace. And then I'm using one of my daughter's spoons because she ran off with my my poker to do this with that came with my kit. But there's 1 jar. Make sure that you wipe your rims down, or else the seal will not seal. Ah! That was hot. And then close your jars fingertip tight. Now I'm raw packing some whole ones. I'm leaving that much stem on. Now I just did the same thing using the same brine. All right, I've got all of my jars in here. I've got my ones that are sliced and I've got the ones that are whole. I'm going to go ahead and drop them down. My water is hot, my jars are hot. I've got my burner on high. I gotta throw those out. And I'm gonna water bath can this for 10 minutes. Oh my goodness, are y'all helping? Are you helping? Are you helping? Oh my goodness, Ryder. Okay, my canner is up to a full rolling boil. I'm gonna turn it down just a smidge. Then I'm gonna set my timer for 10 minutes. I turn the burner off. I'm gonna let this sit until it cools down, and we'll be right back whenever it's time to take the jars out. All right, y'all, that's what we got. We got 6 jars of whole ones, 3 jars of sliced ones, and I canned 2 jars of the brine. That way I can use them for marinade. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great night. I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.